Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know. I'm gonna tell you anyway. Minute here, we're gonna talk about MedMen's earnings today. Fairly good earnings report. Gotta give them a B minus, B plus. We'll talk about it here in a second. Airplane alert, airplane alert. These preliminaries. As you know, the scoop with Mickey D is for education, entertainment purposes only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. Bring your MedMen's earnings here live right now. We're gonna have airplanes flying over because MedMen's location is near the airport here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Preliminaries first. As you know, I do research. I do investing. I follow up on these companies. I knock on doors. I kick down doors. I let these people know what's going on. I ask the crazy questions and I get answers. Sometimes you want those answers. You want those answers, my friends. My books can be found on Amazon.com. It can be found on your bookstores and all over. One book, Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks. I list over 40 stocks in here. Over 40 stocks in here. Also, I have a strategy that you can use for the rest of your life. Another book you can find on Amazon.com is Investing in Medical and Recreational Cannabis. Buy in before, during, or after legalization. That's a great book for your library. Another book, Promising Medical Marijuana and CBD Treatments. It's another book for your library. Those three books, Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, Investing in Medical and Recreational Cannabis, Promising Medical Marijuana and CBD. Those are three books that are part of the Cannabis Education Series, Amazon's Cannabis Education Series. Also, for your library consideration, the African marijuana gold mine right now. There's a lot going on in Africa right now. Companies in Canada and companies all over the world are going and buying up companies in Africa right now. You've heard about it. That's Swazi Gold in Africa. You've heard about it. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world. Why are companies right now going over to, what's going on over in Italy right now? What's going over in some of the countries over in Europe? There's a lot going on. And last but not least, the Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow, which is also on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. Let's talk about MedMen for a second. At one point in time, MedMen was one of my favorite stocks. I liked them from the LA days because they have some really, really nice stores, man. Their stores are like primo, really, really nice. And they usually have a nice little location or something like they do here in Vegas. Their earnings, they were 39% up. They increased revenue 39%, almost $30 million this quarter, $29.9. They continued their expansion. They're spending a lot of money, put it that way. They're spending a lot of money. They raised some money. What I'm most excited about, though, is in 2019, they'll be opening up 16 more locations, 12 of which will be in Florida. Of course, we all know True Leaf got the big jump in Florida, and they're really making noise in Florida right now. That's a company definitely keep on your watch list, True Leaf. But MedMen, MMEN on the Canadian Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, MMNFF, not the New York Stock Exchange, I'm sorry, I misquoted there, on the Bulletin Board Stock Exchange. They're not on they're not on any major exchange right now as we currently speak. But they're expanding into Florida. They've done some good things. Management has done some good things. They've got a lawsuit here and there, like most of the companies. But I don't think there's anything big that really needs to be worried about right now. Foot traffic is pretty good. Airplane alert, airplane alert. Foot traffic is pretty good. There's some stuff going on here, you know, specials, what have you. You can look online and see what all they have. But I would give them, you know, like you know, maybe an A minus, maybe a B plus or so. They're losing too much money, put it that way. That's why they're not getting, you know, an A. But they're putting it together. So if they can get a little piece of Florida, which is very, very lucrative. They can get a little piece of Florida. They may be a company to be reckoned with. Put them definitely on your watch list. Let's keep an eye on MedMen. This second quarter report, I'd say it's pretty good, but there's a lot of work to be done. There's a lot of work to be done with MedMen. I was just inside. I was talking to some managers. They're not going to give you. They're not going to give you no information. You know that. They're not going to give you no. I'm not going to repeat anything they told me anyway. So, the bottom line is they did all right. Okay, they did all right. MedMen is hanging in there. They're still one of those companies that is going to be reckoned with. Okay, that's the deal with MedMen. I love you. Take care of yourself. I'll leave a link or two below. Make sure you take a look at it. If you want to grow some marijuana, I'm going to leave a link there for you. If you're interested in purchasing a company, take a look at, there's a company out there, the Las Vegas Pot Shop is for sale, lvpotshop.com, lvpotshop.com. The Las Vegas Pot Shop, I believe, is for sale. So take a look at that and see what's going on out there. There's a lot happening. I'll be covering next week or the following week. We'll be covering the 1933 Industries new building opening. That company has broken out somewhat. I told you a couple weeks ago, hey, you're going to be rewarded. You don't have anything to worry about on that one because I'm somewhat connected. Just like you, I own shares, just like you. If that's your desire, take a look at that company. But the overall sense I get, the feel I get going in, talking to people, foot traffic and everything is pretty good. So with that said, God bless you. Take care of yourself. Check the links out below. Frequent our partners and love you. Take care of yourself. God bless you.